I notice when I read interviews with female CEOs, you know, of top organisations, there's often a sense, you know, she does this, she's amazing, and she's got 4 kids. It never mentions whether a man CEO has children. It's about what he does for the company. It's about decisions he's made. It's not about whether he has children or not. So there is still a real double standard there. The overvaluing of motherhood as an institution, not of individual mothers, you understand? Because I'm not anti-mothers. I think it is so high at the moment to almost counteract the fear around, well, what happens if more women choose not to have children? So it's back to the shaming and the stereotypes again. So I think childless women are now currently there, mothers are there as stereotypes. I think really what we need to do is we need to bring them to the middle. They only use the negative side of these stereotypes to shame us. Why is society so scared of us? That it needs to make us so small and feel so ashamed. It's becoming very difficult to shame this many women into silence because we're finding each other. And we're finding actually that the other women aren't these weeping weirdos, which is what childless women often think other childless women are going to be like that. But actually, we're a really diverse bunch of interesting women. It's interesting how this issue divides us. And I think that's a very powerful political thing to do, to divide women. I think it stops us using our new power, our new equality.